Hi, my name is Aaron. I am with NorthShoreFaucets.com. We also have a store, North Shore Faucets, in Martin Grove, Illinois. We also have a website, www.northshorefaucets.com. This is vlog number 1 in which we introduce ourselves to you. We are a plumbing parts replacement store. Behind me you can see our vast reference material for older faucets and fixtures and toilets. We also have a reference materials online. Should you not find something, you're welcome to contact us. Our phone number is 847-470-0306. And you're welcome to contact us to ask us questions. We also give some free advice over the phone. We want to welcome you. Hopefully this will be a weekly project where we go in depth to all kinds of plumbing replacement issues, tools, replacement parts, how to replace things, how to fix things. So we welcome you all to our vlog number 1 and looking forward to seeing you in vlog number 2. Have a good evening.